Hey everybody, Jim King out here in Olathe, Kansas. This was the 5-pier job that we did. We started this job on Tuesday and finished it yesterday. The backfill was beautiful. Looks like we wasn't even here. Looks like they had a landscaper here. Anyway, this was a pretty significant raise. It was over 3 inches to bring this up. The north side of the house was piered by another contractor a few weeks ago, and they piered the wrong side. So homeowner called me, and here we are. This is what you get. Beautiful yard put back to where it was, better than it was when we got here. Speaking of the owner, there's the owner right there. House is for sale, Platinum Realty. Call Nick Nunley, 913-221-8122. Let me get a close-up of this sign in the yard. Platinum Realty, Nick Nunley. There you have it, folks. Cute little house out here in Olathe. King Pier strong here on the south side. And that's it. KingPiers.com.